Okay, folks, let's talk PowerPoint. More specifically, let's talk Karen's PowerPoint. It stinks. Well, I don't need to hide that from you guys. You know that it stinks, right? That's kind of the point. But let's say you have this coworker, this friend, who thinks that she's doing the right thing with PowerPoint. Oh, it looks amazing, it looks great. And you look at it and you're like, oh my gosh, this is horrifying. I can't believe that she actually does this. What do you do, right? So we're going to address this from kind of two angles. One is, what would you tell her she needs to do that she hasn't done in order to make the PowerPoint presentation professional looking? And how do you go about telling somebody that? So this is about PowerPoint and how to use it properly, and it's also about constructive criticism or constructive feedback. How do you kind of break it to your friend nicely that this really, really stinks and she doesn't know what she's talking about here? You don't really want it to be that blunt, right? But how do you go about doing that? Because that's an important soft skill to have, is the ability to give constructive feedback and to do it to someone so they know, okay, I know what I did wrong and I know how to remedy it, and they're not like deeply offended or angry or something like that. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're going to be analyzing this. We're going to be saying, okay, these are the things that need to change, and this is how I would change it. And then you're going to maybe talk a little bit about what's the best way to actually approach this with poor Karen here. What can I do to maybe soften the blow while also getting my point across? So it should be a fun conversation. I hope you guys get a lot out of it. Thanks.